solo shobras li shui ani modu to shimbe ki lob sendi chemical reactions and equations ki ta nima shive ki lob sendi chati do ani nima sumbe ki lob sendi bola tanda also types of chemical reaction combination da decomposition reaction di toyore ani the combination reaction bula ani so di the calcium oxide ta quick lime the water gi reaction di chati to ani nega champa chik di the combination reaction mangche di the exothermic reaction re la de then exothermic reaction ki ani thunda khari meche ani example mangboji to re danashi combination the exothermic reaction parala dishi alora dewa do khar to moshi khande stu bugu to ti thodur chi tene exothermic reaction ki opposite the endothermic reaction la ores tamo exothermic the endothermic reaction di parallel re ine ngoju dirsa di tanda combination decomposition ani displacement double displacement reduction oxidation reaction la ne nga del tir ku gore the combination nyombo exothermic le re tene exothermic ki opposite endothermic cha do to so endothermic tan ta tewa shuk shombo yoti go ti the combination reaction ki opposite di the decomposition reaction la de this also decomposition reaction le to yore ani decomposition reaction mangche ji ta endothermic reaction chagre slani ani the layer the kumse the decomposition reaction kapsu bond break chi ko ra ani bond break che la energy chi ko absorb chi ko ra this is decomposition reaction the combination reaction the ko opposite to chadu those ra ko definition korane re dagna shingi exothermic the endothermic reaction you both devetone to konyo opposite to chadu to the dike share tene decomposition reaction la the yeva to sums to shine but on the thermal decomposition ani electrolytic decomposition tene photolytic decomposition la ne ta thermal decomposition piche chaw do jere and then now la ferrous sulfate ki thermal decomposition re calcium carbonate ki thermal decomposition re down she let lead nitrate ki the thermal decomposition that is also covered chi saure the thari the decomposition reaction ki ani type newadi the electrolytic decomposition and do yamena tortu chine electrolysis lagare dinama tugi this on the thangpo de la electrolytic decomposition la dizambala electrolysis la dizambala decomposition reaction kare do chil khoku gor labina ani kisi the decomposition reaction the decomposition reaction on the king the combination reaction the opposite kisi reactant chik the any product mangbula pa breakdown chigiduna this on the electrolytic decomposition la dizambala decomposition reaction ki yewa cha de gore ani de ki decomposition reaction dizubul kharchi gor labina ko decomposition reaction dizu kandes yongores kandes carry chigor labina ani ko energy kari chegor labina energy kari absorb chigor labina the electric current di electrical energy di absorb chigor electrical energy pejutani ani decomposition yongor this is electrolytic decomposition electrolysis la dizambala decomposition reaction in which is carried by ani using electrical energy laneti to yamena electricity laneti to ko kewa ke mara disha digre dine thanda electrolytic decomposition electrolysis de la thanda example kejambo do cha digre chik do the example the kharre lavina thanda mujo zinda marim khala pije jang use sam go do the example chik do chik the kharre do lavina ani same kingi sam go do thanda electrolytic decomposition of water lagene re ani electrolysis of water lagene re tadi cha digo re this on mujo kare jang go kor lavina electrolysis of water jangu gore ani nga dus chigi chida electrolysis of water ti ngo zinda marim khala pheche zinda kewa dewa chila chang yo re samsra ini nga the logdip shisu electrolysis of water electrolytic decomposition of water the any activity ta ngo demonstrate che rang mare this was nge tishi kya che activity the khandis chi me tishi kya che ani observation khari chagi me che ani ko tak tishi kya de ko remote tishi kya gro ani observation the tishi kya che and then thamadela result de bola ani karsa water the an electrolytic decomposition khandis to go me ro ani ko chemical equation chini ma twe so electrolysis of water the tishikagi ani the thangpo di experiment digi thanda setup chi ora the tishikage che and ne experiment di ta lo ta ne ta khai kyo kha tu re the observation bala ma ta tibu ore and ne ko chemical equation jora ta ko electrolytic decomposition electrolysis to the equation ki tone ani ma tuen che tuksi to gi that the experiment the activity the karsa the karsa ta lab la ta ko carry out chi yo demonstration ki ani YouTube la link YouTube ki da video nyendo ji nga pike ka sumbula link share chi gi te song za thang bong khar ki yung gor la wi na thanda mag ki yung go gore ta di bika do do te song za nge du lung da di kya re lung da kya wi na ko plastic mug plastic jug la or plastic mug to jra plastic mug to thong ro te song za nge ki plastic mug ji ki yung go gore te chamber do jra tene plastic mug dige thila ka bottom la igo ni tu ro plastic mug dige bottom thila ani igo ni tu re sonza igo ni te singi capture wina ani igo dingi la kharchi ko la wina ani rubber stopper la ro rubber stopper la di ngonju gi tanda test tube ki khala ani rubber kache ani adibula delivery tube ki yo ta khandar test tube reaction che gas di ani mashur wache ani delivery tube ne ani solution shabachi la ta yatunda la tanong zo carbon dioxide ki standardized test pul chi yo tinashi rubber stopper ni kaere tada iguni tyen ba tela ani zo rubber stopper ni kaere so rubber stopper gi igoni di ta airtight sugira ko pige as igon di ni di ko airtight sugira so ko rubber stopper ni pige la igoni de la fit chere wa ta tilangi label chewina rubber stopper la wa te so rubber stopper khona la igon yo wa rubber stopper ki kurang ki igon de la ani ngonzo electrode ni fix chiku gore electrode ni insert chiku gore the songs electrode la de ngonzo kingirwa lo tangi ki wa conducting cha de gore electrode la de jama lo tangi ki ani rod tindel ta sobta de ko rod shape ko ra the songs conducting rod imba ina ta ko electrode cha de go ra the songs ko conducting rod the ani ngozu ko electricity ki source la pa connect chi ku go ra the songs ta conducting into zambala I nail kine de go re ko electrode cha de girwa ta ine thanda ngunju ki thanda activity experiment dibula thanda electrode kikyo de khardu lavina ani carbon rod lagro carbon la di kochida non metal re conduct chigo mare ine carbon la ko pige allotrope lagro ko carbon chibu ku suesha ku chala mang bo jeta tin nonglon thanda graphite la de mo pencil ki nib la pestang gyo this was a graphite ti ko carbon non metal in garo ko conducting ba this was a monzu ki thanda cell bol yo di gyo 아니 단다 carbon rod di graphite rod re di conducting chago re ani kisi ko ngonjegi karsa battery ki terminal ni la connect chi je ani lo tang ba ina ko conducting rod di la ngonje khalagre electrode lagarwa te sonza da electrode di ngonjegi kawal connect chi ku go la wina ko lo tang ku tambala ko battery la connect chi ku go ra te sonza kisi ngonjegi battery tes shukshambor oshla ani 6 volt battery chi la connect chi wa ina the 6 volt la tuzambala namgyu ngonjo thanda pet cell chungwa di khazu yor la wina cell 1.5 volt ni duta 6 volt la tu ngonjo shido chi shaw chi ro the sonza kesi ngonjo ge 1.5 inde kyo ke cell ge Shinyobo combine chiwaina and Kachadu Lavina, battery of 6 volt Chadura, this on the thing is 6 volt and chivina. And in Yabardu Kari connect Chiku or Lavina, and a switch chick Yabardu Kugo, this on switch will connect chip. The Kachadu Lavina circuit key, external circuit key Chashit Chaduga, this was a switch chick Yabardu connect chip. 당고 내가 머신이나 스위치 같이 걸라위나 offshore 거라 this was the electrode the nicha the chick the positive terminal connect chick the negative terminal connect so positive negative terminal connect chigo electrode the long the cathode lagre ani positive terminal connect chigo electrode the long the anode lag the this some unzo ma tigu go ma tingel changsa ora tadi shimbe ngora kidore dene kharche lavina chuluwe de tanda the what the connection di yaputum be na tada electrode ki parts chunjuchi rubber stop go what in ma thundu get chiwina was a connection the apu kingirwa ko rubber stop will connect chiyo ma call connect chiyo lavina ani dila electrode ni dila connect chiyo re this is dine go kharche lavina plastic mug di bala chulu ere chu kyang ere this is chu khagas kyang gore la edro chu khagas kyang gore lavina ani ko pige electrode ni di chu bula completely immerse chai gi chu ji kyang go gore this is you should put water in the plastic mug so that the electrodes are completely immersed in the water. This example shower. Then water the low tire water the conducting swell. The sounds of the belong to chulu. So water the was conducting swell. The conductor the roachu in a more conducting conduction yarget naila any acidified chigugore acid lugugore. This was the acid they was sulfuric acid dilute sulfuric acid ki drop kashish solution digo this was acidified with dilute dot sulfuric acid H2SO4 this was the conduction the yarget tayandala chubula karlu lavina ani dilute sulfuric acid ki drop kashish solution this was the acidified with dilute sulfuric acid lani netiro dine kharche lavina test tube ni kiyere test tube ni chechun chibani ani test tube dini ni ga chu kangang lu yere test tube dini ni ga ga chu kangang lu che chu full lu che ani test tube dini ni di invert che ma kushulo che ani electrode dini ga la invert che re ini invert che we kap so chu di ma sholo chibu wor this on the test tube chu kangjo ki test tube ni kile ra ani test tube ni di kharche lavina munzuge electrode dingi gala test tube chigbar wa munzuge the electrode ni chu dingi gala invert che de dingi gala kosholon share ni shawe kapso ani chudi ma thumba chigugore this on the invert chisawe jela test tube ni ga bula ani chu kangang ne gugore tadi 케보진 치고고래 carefully 치고고라 this on the career lavina test tube dingi bule chu career chu kangang yoro chu full yoro tene duk stem baina this one thing idi ko test tube sha digirwa test tube ni ga bola ani chu full yorwa this one nge jmo de kyan zo seu menang ya sikya shitem bayina this one test tube ni de bola electrode ni de gala invert chair de ne test tube ni yo bola chu ani full yore tire ta dine setup peche sawdo jire setup peche sawdo jire dine was experiment de carry out chere this was experiment de carry out kandes chair labina ani switch the ka chair labina switch the on chair switch the on chiwaina electric current the positive terminal ne ani negative terminal padu flow chigirwa then was kingirwa electric current ki direction de ani the observation dire the observation de ma chigi chigu gore tang unzu kar thongre gyuwa kar dugre la jora electrolysis of water the electrolytic decomposition of water the condition yungre la jora ding unzu tagu gore this on the kari chigire la vinas lo tang du zambal unzu kar thongre la vina ani tangi ki electrode dingi gane electrode ni jo anode cathode ni gane kar thungir la vina ani bubbles thungure bubbles thuyung gore this is the electrode dingi ga ne karchi lavina bubbles form chine bubbles ti ko gas indu zambala ko ya gaun thuyung gor this is the kyan so remote nge ya kya wena pe electrode ni dine ko ni ge dot na bu dot ti do ko bubbles ya form chine ya thuyung gor this is the observation kitchen bu chikar chagir lavina ni formation of bubbles of gas bubbles is kari bikije lavina gas ra khane lavina from both the electrodes ni ga ne ani bubbles de tuyungure ladu gas tuyungure gas evolve chiyungure electrode ni ga ne this was bubbles tanda ta tuyung de zamal gas sewarwa this was gas soyo dige ani kharichigir lavina khale ani test tube nanglo ki ani chujira dima displace chigire this was a gas dikhang yudu zambala khale test tube bu gi ta chujira di kharichigire ma tyungire ladu zambala test tube ki thogala sedela ani kharicha gura sa tongpa chayo gura chuma thwendu gura this was observation niwa di ta kejim cha digire kharichigir lavina ani test tube nanglo la should displace chigire ro this on the shoot and the test tube la displace chege chujora de ani kebar yore cathode the anode la kebar yore cathode la chu bet kora chuma displace chige jora chuma tyongyo jora gas dige chuma tyongyo jora di cathode la kari yor la wina ani mangyung di dab ni gi manga yore this on the gas ko evolve chigi bubbles ya ligi ro an khachigir lawina test tube nanglo la test tube ding nanglo la chudi displace chigirwa chudi ma thwendu gro gas ya yongdu sambala ani chuma thwengyo di cathode la petkora damni gi manga anode le cathode la damni gi manga ma thwendu gde tadi observation kechim bichago ra this was a cathode la chu damni ki manga ma thundu zambal khartyong ko la wena cathode la form chigyo ki gas di ani anode la form chigyo ki gas dile ani volume di damni ki manga yo tyong ra this was the observation dine kariyo la wena kechimbo kariyo la wena tanda bubbles ya thuyung gore la ro electrode ni dine this was the gas produced chigora the gas la duzum bala ko electrode ni ga la gas produced chigora so the gas ni di mana wigin chogora this was the gas produced at the electrodes ni la ta bubbles ya thuyung gore la gas produced chigora so the gas produced chigora electrodes ni la gas produced chigora produced at electrodes de khalchig lavina chudi chugi saja di ma chu isaja jugura chu de ma tuen shigura will displace water from the test tubes. This on the test tube ne ani chu de ma tuen shigura test tubes la deuxième bala chu de ma tuen la deuxième bala ko pige chu isaja la ko gas le di ora. This on the nget and the love na shi cathode la chuma thengyo di ani anode la chuma thengyo le damyi mangayor la deuxième bala cathode la gas collect chigyo jora cathode la gas collect chigyo la cathode kang le gyo sha gyo ki test tube la collect chigyo ki gas ti ani anode la collect chigyo la anode ki test tube la anode kang le gyo sha gyo test tube la collect chigyo gas ti le damyi mangayor volume di this on the tega tisha wina the volume of gas collected cathode la at cathode is tamni manayur la so is twice the volume of gas collected at the observation kechim buchik cha de at anode. This on the observation rate that Tandamus Hagu Mare gas kandi electrode cathode la chagyogi gas the Karime was Hagu Mare and anode la chagyogi gas the Karime was Hagu Mare. This on the Munzugi Tanda chemical reaction the Doju Gugor, Mutun Doju Gugore. Mutuni Dochu Chukugore. This on the Lotang de Lotang de Vayna Hajig Lavina Ani go big gas needy test to me will collect chidigra. Any usage in the Hajigre test to Niga gas ki Kangdura, the Chukanzama Tendura. So when the test tubes are filled with the gases produced, this on the fill chadu zambala gas keep kang du zambala ani kache lavina test tube ni di kewo chinama la zambala test tube la collect chigyogi gas di mashurwa chibu gore mashurwa chije ani gas ni di test tube ni di matwe test tube ki khani di phaka ani ko sagda pargyoch lighted matchstick yamena glowing splinter copy a pe narrow gyutoji yamena splinter and shing tap do in lawara ta sagdagi shinging by ne pe shinging by ne kandar ko shing tap chila ani glow la di ko narrow de ko shing tap chi kiyon che ani gas ni ki nature test chere gas ni di kargari me unzu test chere this on the tamuzu karche lavina test to me di bula mutuni ko reaction to tochu ne lo tang chen ani khache lavina ani gas ni di check che de tal thamadena ko anode the cathode la collect ki gas ni di test che de to check the gases collected at the electrodes the electrode ni de la ani gas khari collect chi me jo check che la kharche la vina thangi condition na shi ani khangchu gas ki khangchu lom mutun tang na andene kewochi na ma test to me de copy gas ni de mashur wa chi ani khache la vina test to ni ki dingi ka khala ani yamena sagda me parkyoji yamena glowing splinter ki onche test chere this on the gas into khari ibe check chi duzum bala anda cathode ki kangla sha gyo ki test tube tipula yedi go gas ti ani me pardu zambala khache gir lavina ani me bargire ta me pardu la zambala ko kajagula karpeshtangula del karpeshtangula in ani burning mastic peshtangure this was a burning mastic lighted mastic tatanda cathode ki kangla shasha ki test tube people yeti ko gas the watching ka che ani sagda me par kyo chi mouth la kiyo na test tube ki mouth la kiyo na ani me bar ki pop sound ti de this was burns with pop sound ani pop sound ten ne ani burn chi na ani gas the nature the gas the khari me ngo za gu ra ti song za gas the khari yim tyong go la wina ko hydrogen gas in tyong go ra shows that it is something you capture to in shows that it is hydrogen gas H2 gas ani tanda unzo anode kana shasha gyogi test tube dibula collect chi gyogi gas di kari meta yala unzo kharchi gor lavina ani burning splinter chi ki ngore mari glowing splinter la di shing tap tap tsagta gi shing ani mero yogi to chi yamena pe mero yogi to chra ani tadi test tube di ki khala shawe kapsu an lamsa mero di lamsa gor me bari guzu gore reignite chigra this on the kharchi gir lavina tanda anode la sa shi gas di damla glowing splinter chi ki onde ani glowing splinter di ani reignite chigre yamena reignite ra this on the me angyo parsha gro kachlo mero la du konyel me barbar this on the reignites a glowing splinter la du pe mero yuchi me barin gore reignites a glowing splinter la du zambala kari patyong gor lavina ani shows that it is oxygen gas in patyong gore ani ta tanda cathode ki electrode digala sa shagyoti tanda volume w digoti ta hydrogen gas tire tangi the competition ya boyor tangi tissue so and on the anode gangla anode ki gangla ladu anode ki gangla inward chi ku test tube dibula collect chi yoti kharcha gir lavina ani oxygen gas chagro di tab chaga nyuwair ko volume di sonza telonzo add genetic do the volume of hydrogen gas is twice the volume of oxygen gas ani oxygen gas the cathode la anode la collect chigyo hydrogen gas the cathode la collect chigyo this on ta dinge la observation t dine gas tunzo kari kari me how could you zambala tangzo chubula lo tangdu zambala ani ko reaction ji to do ni reaction di ko decomposition ba seur do kajin lawina ko single reactant water molecule di ani ko bige breakdown chine ani chala sawani la product ni la ba ko breakdown chingu to this also the do ki ta electrolysis of water la ni ba ti the chemical equation di the material ani chemical equation t ne kartun to gur lavina and electrolytic decomposition to you tend to gura this on the matem bayina thing the t can be represented by following chemical equation this on the chemical equation the material and the electrolysis of water gura this on the reactant single reactant the water molecule ra this on the water the liquid imba ani did do you water lo so khachire ani energy tebro water ki energy absorb chiora this was energy tigo the electrical energy de ani electrical energy te ne ani kharchi go yuva khartu gu lavena ani water the ma breakdown chi do kharibul breakdown chi do lavena ani hydrogen gas ta ani oxygen gas bula breakdown chi do ani hydrogen gas the kwala collect chi do lavena ani cathode negative electrode la collect chi do and down she oxygen gas the coal collect chi do lavena positive electrode anode la collect chi do tadi ko chemical equation di electrolysis of water electrolytic decomposition of water the represent chi ko re tadi balance jo ina physical state is as balance jo ina hydrogen ni tadi zo balance here the physical state zo nge machine yel kina zo ka che chi ina ani chondra ya bora gre dawra chiro na this was a hydrogen ni la ta do oxygen chick ni la do oxygen di balance chi wo do oxygen balance chi wo ina hydrogen di tel shi cha so la do tel ni kyap an ko balance cha do do this was a ta di khare la vina ta the electrolysis of water the electrolytic decomposition of water lo ta che ani single reactant di ani two more la tan tel two re do two reactants pula ani khande spectrum chikido ta di go experimental setup experiment khande chigo mingi trigaya ani observation di trigaya ani ko bige result of the ta gas collect chigyo de kari me cathode kari me anode la kari me ani kunni gi volume ki khabar de khande si me di trigaya ta mangbuji gong sigre ta di chida lote bal trigaya de ni ko trigaya na kya go tibin su sang do ra ti song za di parmado cha digre ani di kari la wina mangbuji gong sigre tanda hydrogen gas di ani cathode la khajine tegore oxygen di anode la khajin tegore la ta di unjingel jang sa di song za kale kabu ki chagar sang do ti song za water je ra di bulang unju lo tang du zamala water di khari bul breakdown chigir la wina hydrogen ion da oxide ion bula ta hydrogen ion de mujhe khingirwa kharsha digir la wina ko positive ion cha digiro positive ion le cation lagre ani negative ion la anion lagre tadi electrode the opposite electrode imba ina negative de la cathode imba ion imba ina positive la cation re sonza ion imba ina negative de la anion re ani electrode imba ina positive de la anode imba this sonza dingi di this ion the electrode dingi opposite imba dawari ne ko thanda 금세 여러 가지 나오이나 가디 임바이네 positive di ani positive ion di negative electrode cation di cathode dugure negative ion di positive electrode la dugura anion di anode la dugura this was konni di opposite shache ani ko 금세 dugre sang budra this was 가지 라위나 cation di call dugure cathode la dugura ani anion di call dugure anode la dugura this was at cathode la khar chigir lawina ra cathode la khar ligre hydrogen ion de ligdwa ani cathode la hydrogen ion de leche hydrogen ion la electron ragre hydrogen ion la electron nyu ayro electron chilla de electron ragre raje khar chadu la hydrogen gas chadu la ta gas la du ko balance du zambal de ni jab and de ni jab ra so the cathode la hydrogen gas di evolve chigdo dana shingi anode la chashawina positive electrode dil chashawina khadli dula anion dil ligdo oxygen ion dil ligdo so oxygen ion di electron ni thoba yoro la du electron ni di tigro cation la cathode la cation ke electron lengiro anode la anion ke electron tigre la du minus chaduro electron ni tigre ni ten ko khar chadure ko electron ni thoba yoro khar chadure oxygen gas chaduro this one za kharchigre cathode la hydrogen gas produce chigre and anode la oxygen gas produce chigta di kumzin dire this one za electron di anode la tegorwa la dizem wala electron di ani electric current ki direction ki opposite la flow chigro call flow chigla anode ne ani cation la cathode la flow chigro cathode la electron di lengoro so external circuit bula electron di negative terminal and positive terminal flow chigro that the electric current get direction the opposite to the direction of flow of electric current ba ani circuit ke external bula ko electron flow chigre ani ko pe electrolyte nanglo la khari flow chigir la wina ani ions flow chigdo khangdar ko circuit ti ke langa chazan la khar chigdo charge flow chigdo this is electric current ti flow chigre ta di kare la wina electrolysis of water ki ani tishi di this on the konta detail share mal tadi wa gi tan the chemical equation de konne ka jam chagre ine dinge gi tan da theba do chi tishi ke this on the di kan so ko minduna ko chela maternity reaction ki tan da yewa sumba dal tu gi yewa sumba di tan tisha digri ta tan da photolytic decomposition yemena photolysis lagero the photo la zambala ko sunlight well ko or light la ko or this on the single reactant the ani karsa two more products will break down che the kind of decomposition reaction you and the condition good level carried out by using the carpet the sunlight energy like light energy by using light like light energy like the photolytic decomposition electrolytic decomposition electrolysis example chikimba and the photolytic decomposition de la photolysis de la example notable need the jipche sunlight ki energy dia jipche ani ko breakdown chingi ki the chemical so ni do jure silver bromide na silver chloride tingi de tanda photolytic decomposition lagro di yongye la ta yongye ki ta di we poche ani decompose chingi breakdown chingi tanda dongi tanda chemical ni ki example notable do di karchagi labine tanda silver chloride chikche ani silver ki formula symbol valency chikre chloride ki valency chikre AgCl chadura ani niwa di tanda silver bromide this also silver bromide chashawi ne ani ko bromide ki valency chikro silver ki valency chikimba this was the formula to chadura the chemical di the photolytic decomposition to re ani during the physical call tangir lawe thanda also tharsangi parje mare tharsa parje sama digital ro nyama yimba ina tanda black and white photography ro tanda pink show yu gyo par capture ani par gyagyo ki tanda image di tanda pink show ga le jo this was a pink show ga la tanda the pink show tanda ga la yu ne pink show the develop chi du sambal yan chemical de best tangro the disable tanda silver chloride the silver bromide di yore this was the par gyaptu sambal nyama black and white photography the par khari kyan yu go wara the object dine yu legyo dige an kharchi gi labine pink show ga la yu di yu ki ani tanda ze tinzuni di kharchi gi re ko bige ko gywa ta sha gro kajin labine ko bige thermal photolytic decomposition to do symbol ko gywa ta shi gro di gywa ta do symbol chundo gywa chinche ani object digi image di ani ko bige karsa pink show ga the film ga la photographic film ga la thoyong go ro image di this was the dinzoni di call pestang go lavina black and white and photography pestang go resna shwe ta thanda photolytic decomposition to dan di ta example thangbu di shasha we na thanda photolytic decomposition of silver chloride di to we na this was the ding uju de thanda silver chloride ro ani silver chloride di the powder re ko bige powder re ani powder di solid re chota kaure gadu yimbai ne dingi de kawal lugur labina ani store kawal chigir labina ani in stored in ra ani dark container this napudo jibula lugna mato ani vepo ina lamsa ko nani kare compound roja ding mar ko decomposition to de ko gywa tidu ro this was the gywa kare tibi me ta del dishi ge re you silver chloride cha sha we na yime kil sha we na china dish pullo ani gengu dam de uja sha we na nugyo nabudine container nabudine matwe ani karsa china dish pulla ani yime kil ta gengu dam de uja sha we na no ko ga nyima pho da kaji gla we na ko gyo du gre ko gyo kha du gla ko breakdown chi gre breakdown chine kharcha du lavina inyel kawo yimba ko grade do charu chondo gyo du re grade khin chago lavina ko silver form chi ko ro and silver gi ani color de khare lavina gray ro ani silver form chi gre ani ko product shimba de khare lavina ko processing machine mane chlorine ro ani chlorine di ko non metal ni munzu gas laiba ko metal di munzu dagara thi symbol dagara thi ba the non metal mangche la H2O2 Cl2 nani ko gas chadu gurwa ani ko Cl2 di ko gaseous form bola ko lungu bola adu gurwa ini miguel high de khalla gre silver thla gurwa silver de chondo gray yorwa ani ngel chondo gray yor lavina chondo kaw yorwa de chondo kaw ni ani gray chadu example ko object in legyo gi yudigi ani film gala pingsho gala ko chundu gyuwa stance ko object gi karsa image di ko bige film gala letu go ra desonza ko bige black and white photography le pistang go ra desonza ta dinde do ki tanda chemical reaction di ko photolytic decomposition ni base usingere sunlight ki energy di absorption ne ani silver chloride di silver da ani chlorine gas blo breakdown chi go ra di chidu zambala ani chlorine di ko lungu bala dugure ko pgne di silver gray la digro this on the chunda white di gray cha dugora to ne do ki tanda photolytic decomposition gi example new di ta ya tanda karsa black and white photography le pishna ya ki ya tanda chemical silver bromide la idire di tanda chundo de khari la bene pale yellow do jure ko chundo seu segya me bache ani seu kalgazam ge seu shuk sam ge do chra so chendo de pale yellow do cha de silver bromide cha shawina re dine ko ta damgyu in baina ko dark containable store she sha ga yine ko ta activity de chiu ka so chana distributable mate ani munju ki nyime ge shawina pale yellow color de lamsa la che kharcha ru la bine ko kyar do tanda color change de duro karcha dur lavina ani ko color the gray cha dur gray kajan lavina silver form chikora ni silver di ko gray ora din yombo ani gas chik sugure gas di thanda bromine gas la ta bromine la de ko non metal imba adu sambala ya bromine la de br2 le tere silver the metal the ag chin tere ko gas ki form bola ko la dure chidam bromine la de ko liquid br2 la liquid reddish brown tinada mo chlorine gas ti ba chlorine gas la mix di yomara color yomara ine ti thanda bromine gas bromine gas dire ani bromine gas ti khari lavina ani color di reddish brown da ujere kochidam bromine la di reddish brown liquid re ine thanda dela ko nyime ye phu yu zambala chawu yu zambala ko gaseous ki form bula ani gas reddish brown da uji ko atmosphere la pa lungu la pa judu gore and then ha de di ko silver ha de gre sonza pale yellow color di gray cha do gore sonza ko chondo yo do zambal ko photography le pistang gore sonza kharcha de la ne ker do ko pige photolytic decomposition cha de gre